Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about the circular linked list. In the previous lecture we had seen the doubly linked list. In a single linked list, every node point to its next node in the sequence and the last node point null. But in the circular linked list, every node point to its next node in a sequence, but the last node point to the first node in the list. So a circular linked list has one slight modification over a singly linked list. A last element in the list point to back to first of the list. So this allows for reaching the first element without starting over while traversing. So there is no null pointer to mark the end of the linked list. So circular linked list, we see this concept circular queue. So the last node will point to the first node of the queue. So it is also like that the last node of the linked list can point to the first node of the linked list. So a circular linked list is the sequence of element in which every element has a link to its next element in a sequence and the last element has link to the first element. So that means a circular linked list is similar to a single linked list except that the last node point to the first node in the linked list. So this is the pictorial representation of the circular linked list. Here is the head pointer, we say that the first pointer, and here is the data and address of the next node will be stored, and here the last node point to the first node of the linked list. So it is the circular linked list. So friend, how to define the node? So struct node int data struct node star next and star head equal to null. This is definition of the node. When we define a node, we create a structure node, and here we declare the variable and we create the node. Now what are the operations performed on the circular linked list? Inserting at the beginning of the list. The basic operation performed on the linked list are insertion, deletion, searching and displaying. These operations are performed on the singly linked list. So we can use the following step to insert a new node at the beginning of the circular linked list. So first step, as usual, we can check the new node with a given value. Create a new node with the given value. Now we check whether the list is empty or not. If the head equal to null, then we say that the list is empty. And if it is empty, then set the head pointer to null. Set the new node to the head and new node of next to the head. So if the list is not empty, then define a new node pointer temp and initialize with the head. Keep moving the temp to its next node until it reaches to the last node, until the temp of next equal to head. So set the new node of next equal to head and head equal to new node and temp of next equal to head. So this is the algorithm to insert a new node at the beginning of the circular linked list. So practically we are going to discuss about how to insert the node at the beginning of the circular linked list. So first we create the node, struct node star new node. Now here we create the dynamic memory allocation for that particular node. Now we assign the value to the new of data. Now check that if the head equal to null, if the value of head equal to null, then we assign new node to head and new node of next to head. So in the else part, struct star temp and temp assigned head assigned to temp, and check that while temp of next is not equal to head, then temp equal to temp of next, new node of next equal to head and head equal to new node and temp of next equal to head. So and then we print the insertion success. This is inserting the node at the beginning of the circular linked list. Now how to delete the node from the beginning of the list? So we can follow this step. Check whether the list is empty. If the list is empty, then display the message list is empty and deletion is not possible and terminate the function. If it is not empty, then define the two node pointer temp1 and temp2 and initialize both temp1 and temp2 with the head pointer. So check whether the list having only one node. How we can check that whether the list having only one node? If the temp of next equal to head, then we say that the list containing only one node, and if it is true, then set head equal to null and delete the temp1 and setting the empty list condition. So if it is false, what it is false? If the list containing not only one node, it containing number of node, then temp1 until it reaches to the last node, temp of next equal to head, and then set head equal to temp2 of next and temp1 of next equal to head and delete the temp2. This is the deletion of the node from the beginning of the circular linked list. Now we practically show how to delete the element. So I take the function delete beginning. So here I check if the head equal to null, then print the list is empty and deletion is not possible. And in the else part, struct node start temp equal to head, and if the temp of next equal to head, then we assign null value to head and free the temp. Now in the else part, we assign head of next to head and free the temp variable. So this is the deletion of element at the beginning of the circular linked list. So hope friend, you have to understand this. This concept is also similar to the singly linked list, but there is a difference that we can assign the last node link to the first node. Now what are the advantages and disadvantages of the circular linked list? The first we see what are the advantages of the circular linked list. Enlist entire the list can be traversed from any node from the list, and it save the time when we have to go first node from the last node. The second advantage, and the next is it is used for implementation of queue. Then reference to the previous node can easily be found, and when we want to list to access a circle or a loop, then circular linked list are used. These are the advantages of the circular linked list. Then what are the disadvantages of the circular linked list? The circular linked list are complex as compared to the singly linked list, because there is the back pointer that assign the last to first node of the linked list. So reversing the circular list is complex as compared to the singly or doubly linked list. If not traversed carefully, then we could end up the infinite loop. And like a singly and doubly linked list, circular linked list also does not support direct accessing of the element. These are the disadvantages of the circular linked list. So hope that you have to understand the today's lecture. Thank you friend.